Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna continue the part where I created a post and get method. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put and delete request for updating and deleting the items I'm using or the data. First, I'm gonna create a new route for put app put off. Here, what we are gonna do is we are gonna use the same items, but here we have to send an ID. Using this ID only, we are gonna update the item, whichever item we are gonna update. First, I'm gonna take that ID. ID is equals to request dot params. Whatever the things here it is there, right? We'll call it as a params. Request dot params dot ID. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the index of that ID. Like if the ID is 1, this is the 0th index. If the ID is 2, it is the 1st index. If the ID is 3, it's a second index. Because the array works like this. Let me show you. This is an array. Array will always start with 0, 1, 2 like this. So we'll take 0, 1, 2, 3. So first let me find it. For that const index is equals to items dot, there is a method in JavaScript find index. So I'm gonna id and item dot id triple is equals to is equals to id. Now if this index is not is equal to -1, that means it will be from 0 to something. -1 will be less than 0. So if it is not is equal to -1, I'm gonna update the things. Items of index items of index means items of, like, item of 1 is this one, sorry, item of 0 is this one, item of 1 is this items, item of 3 is this one, like 2 is this one, like that. I'm gonna take that one and is equals to, I'm gonna keep the ID as it is because I don't want to change the ID, and I'm gonna request the rest of the body here. Then I'm gonna return the JSON of items of index, whatever the items I'm going. Next, if it is not, like it doesn't contain, like this ID is not present in the this array, then I'm gonna give it as, I'm gonna send the response as response dot status 404, means not found, item did not found. Like if we send some other ID which is not present here, I'm gonna send it as that item is not there. To check this is working or not, let me create a new request. Here I'm gonna go with put. Here let me copy this, and here we have to add ID. I'm gonna add with 1 only. This is the ID, and in the body I'm gonna change the 1 here. I will copy, except for ID I'm gonna copy everything, paste here, and here instead of 1, like leave the item 1 only, I want to change the price to 200. Now using the put method and the item 1, I'm gonna send. See, now ID will be changed. See, if I refresh here, now the price is 200. Now if the ID is not there, like 123, ID number 123 is there, so I'm gonna replace it with 4. If I send it, see item does not find. So that's how the put method will work. Now I think you got the understanding of the put method. Now we'll go for the delete route to remove an item from an item array. First, as it is what I did for the put method, I'm gonna create a route. Here also we need the ID parameter. Next, I'm gonna extract the ID from the params. Const ID. Next, same I'm gonna find the index of that one, that item using the find index method. Next, if the index is not present, sorry, the index is present, like if the number is present, ID is present in the array, I'm gonna use the splice method. Sorry, splice method. It's gonna remove this from the array, and I'm gonna give the message as item deleted. Also, you can add your ID number also using the backticks item ID number deleted. Now, else if the item is not present as it is for the put method, I'm gonna give item not found. So that's it. I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna create a new request. Oh, sorry, I just copied. Let me copy this here. Instead of get, I'm gonna go for delete and I'm gonna send the 4 only. Let me try it. See, item is not there. Now if I try for the, let me try the second one. If I send message, I got the message telling item 2 is deleted. Now if I refresh, the item with the second one is deleted. So that is how you use the delete method to delete an array, delete an item in an array. So that's it for this one. You can see the code here completely. You can pause the video and check it out. So in this video we have covered all about get for fetching all the items, post for adding a new item, put to update an item, delete to delete an item. So that's it for the completion of REST APIs with CRUD operation using Express.js. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel will be appreciated. So see you in the next video.